The wait is almost over. The iPhone SE 4 is coming in 2025 and it's set to revolutionize Apple's budget lineup. In this video, we're diving into everything we know so far, from its revamped design to powerful features and of course the price. Let's get started. First up, the design. The iPhone SE has been known for its classic look, but that's about to change. Rumors suggest the iPhone SE 4 will ditch the home button, thick bezels in favor of a sleek all-display design. The SE 4 is expected to sport a 6.1-inch display, a huge upgrade from the current 4.7-inch size. It'll likely feature Face Idaho instead of Touch Idaho and could come with a USB-C port, aligning with Apple's latest devices and EU regulations. Now let's talk cameras. While it'll only have a single rear camera, don't underestimate its power. Reports hint at a 48MP sensor, similar to the iPhone 15 lineup. That's a big leap from the current SE's camera. And for selfie lovers, a 12MP front camera is expected. Another exciting upgrade, the display. The SE 4 will reportedly adopt OLED technology, ditching the LCD screen of its predecessor. Expect sharper visuals and richer colors, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and everything in between. Under the hood, the SE 4 could be powered by Apple's A18 chip, the same one found in the latest iPhone 16 lineup. Paired with 8GB of RAM, this means blazing fast performance and access to Apple Intelligence features. It's all about premium performance without the premium price. And speaking of price, Apple is expected to keep the SE 4 affordable. Rumors suggest a starting price of $429 or around 40,000 rupees. That's incredible value for a device with flagship-like features. Mark your calendars for 2025. The iPhone SE 4 could redefine the meaning of budget-friendly smartphones. So, what do you think about the iPhone SE 4? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.